Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Honda Civic Modified. This legendary sedan has always been a tuner's dream, and the 2025 model takes modifications to a whole new level. From aggressive body kits to performance upgrades, let's explore how you can transform the Civic into a street beast. The 2025 Honda Civic, in its stock form, already boasts a futuristic design with sharp lines and a bold front fascia. But for car enthusiasts, stock is just the beginning. Aftermarket modifications allow you to enhance the Civic's aerodynamics, power, and overall aesthetics. Starting with the exterior, custom-wide body kits give the Civic a more aggressive stance. Brands like Rocket Bunny and Mugen offer kits that include flared fenders, extended side skirts, and massive rear spoilers. Carbon fiber hood and splitters reduce weight while improving downforce, giving the car a sportier feel. Moving to the wheels and suspension, lowering springs or COI levers dramatically enhance handling. Paired with 18 or 19-inch forged alloy wheels, the Civic gains both performance and a head-turning look. Low-profile tires add to the aggressive appeal, ensuring maximum grip during high-speed runs. Under the hood, the performance upgrades turn this compact sedan into a true powerhouse. The stock 1.5L turbocharged engine produces around 200 horsepower, but with a few modifications, that number climbs significantly. A performance cold air intake and high-flow exhaust system improve airflow, unlocking more horsepower and a deeper, throatier sound. EQ tuning fine-tunes the engine for maximum efficiency and power, while an upgraded turbocharger pushes the limits of acceleration. A custom exhaust system is a must for any Civic modification project. A cat-back or straight pipe exhaust not only enhances performance but also gives the car an aggressive roar that announces its presence on the streets. The braking system is just as important when boosting power. Upgraded Brembo brakes ensure better stopping power, especially when paired with high-performance brake pads. For enthusiasts who enjoy spirited driving, this is a crucial modification for safety and control. Inside the cabin, the Civic's modern tech-focused interior can be further personalized. Racing bucket seats, carbon fiber trim, and a digital instrument cluster give a race-inspired feel. LED ambient lighting and a premium audio system add both style and entertainment value. For those who love street racing aesthetics, a full vinyl wrap or custom paint job transforms the Civic into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Matte black, neon colors, or a two-tone design can make the car stand out in any crowd. Wow, the 2025 Honda Civic Modified is a game-changer. Whether you're into performance tuning or aesthetic upgrades, this car has endless possibilities. What's your favorite Civic mod? Let us know in the comments. The 2025 Honda Civic is already an amazing sedan, but with the right modifications, it becomes a high-performance, eye-catching machine. Whether you're aiming for track performance, street racing style, or an aggressive daily driver, the Civic offers limitless customization potential. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.